hating on you with their friends, girl, you got it.
Yo, I'm so excited to show you guys my updated base routine. I had to make a separate video so it can be more detailed, but yeah, let's do it. Okay, first thing first, shake this bitch. This is the One Side Preserve the Serve Luminous Setting Mist. Fucking love it. So what I'm gonna do is put that all over my face. Yeah. This shit is just so hydrating for some reason. It feels really nice on the skin. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go with the One Side Secure the Blur. Get into her. This shit is not expensive, y'all, but I'm telling y'all, it's worth it. It's fucking worth it. Once the Secure the Blur is all over my face, I am gonna go with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is the, is that green, blue, whatever shade this is. So I use 2 pump of this and then rub that bitch on my face. Sticky as fuck. This is what you want. This is what you need. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going with the Hudabeauty the Overachiever Concealer, and my shade is the Peanut Butter shade. I fucking love this concealer. And my foundation is the Concealer Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer from Milani. I don't want to hear it. I am running out, but baby, we're getting it tomorrow, okay? I don't want to hear nothing. My shade for this concealer is the Chestnut Maroon number 13, and this is my summer shade, even though I use it in the winter too sometimes. But this is so amazing. People be sleeping on her. Like, don't sleep on Milani, y'all. It's affordable and super, like, the coverage in this, look at that. You see the pimple? I'm gonna use a brush. I'm gonna start blending my foundation in first, and y'all, look at the coverage and look how good my foundation is blending. I'm also gonna like do that too. Bitch. Now, y'all, I'm gonna go with my beauty blender, and I'm gonna go with the bottom of this, the butt. We're going with the butt, and I'm just gonna like, everything is just gonna get absorbed into my skin. Be careful so you don't get the you don't get the concealer like I did. Y'all, I am so aggressive with beauty blenders. This is why I don't use them, because after I'm done, my face be hurting. Now with this little baby, we're gonna like blend our concealer. You see how, because we let it dry a little bit, kind of becomes super thick, and like that you have more control. This is the base routine of the year, y'all. Now, y'all, this is the Hudabeauty Banana Bread. This is the setting powder. I got the mini one because, y'all, I'm broke. I ain't got time to be buying the big one because this shit expensive. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it and I'm gonna set my face. I'm setting, not baking, I'm setting the face. Now, I don't even want to contour. What I am gonna do is bronze, and this is the Dalton limited edition golden pearl bronzer. For my blush, I really fucking love this Seattle London blush, so I'm gonna use that. I literally do this and then put it on my face. I have no shame when it comes to blush anymore. I used to hate it so bad, baby. But now I can't live without this fucking blush. Look at the base, y'all. It's just skin. It's giving skin. For my highlight, I am going with the Pixie Glowy Powder Rose Dew highlighter. It's a very pink, beautiful shade. It's going to match my blush really well. And because I don't want an overpowering highlighter, so this is perfect. Okay, y'all, so I added my lashes. I'm gonna do my lips and then we're done. My lips, this is a lipstick that I used to sell. I don't sell it no more, but y'all check out my business. The link is in my bio. I'm gonna go with a dose of color, and this is the shade Flirty. I'm gonna put that well in the center. This is my lip gloss, Sparklies. This is a 4 glitter gloss. It's so beautiful, stunning.